mountain.
Tanay Rizal.
Tanay Rizal.
Cities unan. Cities heavy na. You're so heavy na.
How can I go back to small?
You're not time. You're not go back in the small.
How? Why? How? Why you said jet is heavy na?
Because Jet is big na, 5 years old. When Jet is 1 year old, Daddy hold Jet in one hand like this, like the pillow. It's not heavy.
Daddy, why you hold? It looks like heavy and jet almost fell down.
Yeah.
Oh, why you holding Jet's wound?
Ay, on the side. Are you happy here?
Opo.
Oh, wow.
Daddy, when you're walking so tagay, why the butterfly so far na going down with Jet and Daddy?
He's searching food in the
They
flowers. Flowers.
They eating old like that.
Yeah.
Why the guy walking?
Yeah, and so far. Oh, we're going down. Ah.
What if the cell phone low bat and you're walking so slow?
It's so hard to walk now. It's going down.
When you walk, have energy, you will walk and have energy and run so fast.
Yeah. So Daddy exercise every day. So that Daddy care of Jetty when Jetty is injured or tired.
Daddy, you
Yes.
exercise Jetty like that.
Hi dog. Uy. So big.
Why is it so far, Daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy, next time you walk in there with Jetty in there.
Yes.
There's so many butterflies. Daddy, what if the show fell down?
Daddy get. Why?
It almost fell down in the left.
Ah, you're not. No. You're not lock your shoes. Let's come back here.
Opo. Oh no, so far.
So far.
Why the park in there they not going up? Why the park in there they're not going up,
Yeah,
Daddy?
it's so hard. It's a rough road. The way is not cemented.
How can the builders remove that?
The government na need fund.
What? Huh?
Our government need fund. Money. Budget.
So that
So that
we
we
remove that or the rocks.
Yeah. And it will cemented.
It's cemented means it take off.
Cemented. It's like a highway. There's no stone, no soil like this.
And we can use Karna to climb in there.
Yes. Whew.
love this.
Yeah.
Daddy, you post that on YouTube.
Are you post?
Yes.
Take a video of yourself. Hi guys, we are here. Like that. Show yourself in the video.
Why you talking that?
So that your subscribers see you.
Hi
Wow.
guys.
Yeah, like that.
We're going down to my Dilay Mountain.
Anay.
Tanay, sorry.
Rizal. Yeah, like that. Oh. We almost there. Jetty's car. Oh. So heavy. Huh?
Let's check this car. Bye guys.